Teaching learning process simply involves injecting the students into inquiry. The students of class 6 have been involved in making a working model to exemplify electricity and magnetism. Thus, they get injected into inquiry.
Good morning, sir. May we come in?
Good morning. Please come in.
Yes, sir.
What brought you here?
Sir, we have made a magnetic project.
This project is which subject is related to?
Science.
What is the topic in science?
Sir, we have with magnets. Fun with magnets.
Fun with magnet. Okay. Can you explain? You have made a is it a working model?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain to me how this model works? Who will do that? You will do that? Let's go.
Sir, here we have made an electromagnetic crane. When we put the switching on position, the electric current will pass through here from the batteries to this copper wire, and this iron layer will turn into electromagnet.
Can you operate it? Is it operate? It's working model.
Yes, sir.
Work it. Okay, that crane probably is not operational fully. Okay. What is the other model?
Sir, this is an coiled wire magnet.
Coil wire magnet. What happens? Can you operate it and show it to me? Can you operate it and show it to me?
Sir, when the electric current passes through the copper coiled wire,
Louder.
it moves on its own.
It moves on its own.
Yes.
Okay. The electric current passes, it's moving right. Okay. Now, why does it happen?
Sir,
I asked you the other day when you came to me, what are the questions which I asked you?
yes. Sir,
Yes.
in what principle are used in generator? Generator and this generator and this.
Ah, yes. Now, three questions I asked you. One is, what is the connection between electricity and magnetism? You are using electricity to create magnetism.
Yes.
Okay. Then I asked you, tell some basic equipment which you use in daily life where this principle is utilized. Third one was, the moment you pass electricity, this is a coil, the needle, that small pin starts moving. Why is it moving? Now, have you found out the answer for that? Yes. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, this good. Speak louder.
Sir, when we flow electricity, it makes magnetic field strong, and this copper wire moves on its own.
Now, what's the connection between, now that takes us to the next question. What's the connection between electricity and magnetism? Is it that we need electricity to make magnetism, or we need magnets to make electricity? Is it so?
No, sir.
Ah,
No, sir.
ah.
But by passing electricity continuously through a conductor, we can make magnetism.
That's what I'm telling you.
Yes.
That means when current passes through a conductor, it results in the magnet also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Conversely, when you make electricity, you know the generator,
Yes, sir.
electric generator, where we use a diesel generator.
Yes, sir.
We give a kinetic force inside, the output is electricity.
Yes.
What does it contain? What are the things inside a generator?
Sir.
Yes, this good.
Sir, it is about Fleming's right-hand rule. In this, when we apply force and magnetic field, we get electricity to operate electric machines.
Acha.
When right angle is formed, this rule will work.
That means force is, the thumb indicates what?
Sir, here thumb indicates force, and first finger indicates magnetic field, and middle finger indicates the electricity.
That means the force is applied on the magnet.
Yes. Yes, sir. When
When the force is applied on the magnet, magnet revolves.
Yes.
When the magnet revolves, the magnetic field is cut. When the magnetic field is cut, output is electricity.
Yes.
Which is a right hand Fleming's principle. There is left hand principle is also there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the left hand one? Yes, you.
Sir, Fleming's left hand principle is used in this project. It is like this. In the first finger shows the magnetic
What
field.
are the thumb show?
Thumb shows force.
Ah.
First finger shows magnetic field. Second finger shows electricity. So by this way, magnetic field and electricity are form a right angle.
Yes.
And by passing electricity through a magnetic field, we can get force.
Very good. That means, what do we conclude from this? The conclusion that you reach is, if you want to make magnetism by electricity, you can create magnetic field.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to have electricity, magnetism is required.
Yes.
Electricity and magnetism are like the two sides of the same coin,
Yes.
or the two sides of the same coin. If you want magnetic field, you can create it by electricity. And if you want to create electricity, magnets are used. Okay? Now, the second question comes. That is, I told you, can you tell me some instruments that we see in our daily life where this principle, which you are just now showing, that Fleming's left hand rule, is it applicable anywhere? I told you already, I showed you the day about the handling of heavy cargo in the shipyard. We showed you also.
Yes, sir.
Did you investigate it? What really happened?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in that we use horseshoe magnet and we use electricity passed through the magnet to improve the power of magnetism.
It's only a horseshoe structure
Yes, horseshoe.
through which we pass electricity.
Electricity.
And automatically the horseshoe becomes a very powerful
Very powerful
magnet.
magnet.
Yes.
And that horseshoe magnet is, what do? They make a box. In the box they put the material. It's a steel box. And the horseshoe magnet puts it in it and they lift it.
Yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
how
sir.
it is used. In this principle of Fleming's, this right hand principle or left hand principle?
Left.
Left
Right
hand.
hand principle. Can you give an example of right hand principle?
Right hand, sir, generator.
Generator.
Hmm?
Generator.
Generator. What do we do? What happens in a generator? Tell me. What happens in a generator? You know the answer? Generator normally, what do they do? I'll give you a process, then you should be able to explain it. In a generator, what happens? There are two things. One is there is a turbine. Okay, and the turbine is made to revolve. There are different ways by which they do. One is in a thermal power station. What they do? They heat water, and the water vapor is used to revolve. In hydro power unit, what they do? They flow of water. The water is flowing from a higher level to lower level. They put the turbine there. Turbine is what? It's only big wheel. Just
Big
called
wheel.
fluke wheel, and it revolves. When it revolves, the turbine is connected to what? The magnet. And the magnet revolves, and the output is electricity. And which teacher asked you to make this project? Manjeet. Has other students also made this project?
Yes, sir.
Entire class was given a project work
Yes, yes.
to make a three-dimensional model on magnetism. Acha, did it help you? How did it help you? Doing this this project on magnetism. Did it help you? Did it help you in any way? Or did it hinder you in the process of studies? Did it help you? Oh, you would speak louder. Did it help you?
Yes, sir.
How did it help you? How did it help you? You said that you are taking part in this project, the three-dimensional project, working model. You said that is helping you. Tell me, how did it help you? Yes. Yes, this comes next. Yes.
Sir, we understood how to use it practically, and you two asked many questions that also help us to exactly understand what we have.
You find the interaction you had with the principal made you to think
Yes.
outside the textbook.
Yes.
You don't simply read the textbook and understand it, but you get to know more by trying to answer the questions of the principal. Okay? And how did you do this project? How did you collect? How did you, all 6 of you are involved in it, right?
Yes, sir.
You must have met somewhere. How did you organize the entire logistics? How did you do that?
Yes, sir. One day we met at my home and we started the project.
What is the help you got from your parents?
Sir, they helped us in some for going and purchasing the materials
They help
and
you only in shopping.
shopping and some fixing, connecting wires.
some bringing some soldering iron, right? Otherwise, the entire project was visualized by you. The working model was made by you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's say your parents' involvement in this was about, let's say about 10% or more than 10%.
Some more than 10%.
Must be about 20%.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
That means a major part of the work, you visualized the project, you thought it, and then you got help from your parents only for procuring the material. Am I right?
Yes.
You did not get anything else apart from it. How long did it take for you to do the project?
Sir,
One or 2 days.
2 days.
Completely 2 days.
Only 2 days. You met at Digan Karadi's place? Where did you meet?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You met at Digan Karadi. How? When did you go to meet him? The evening?
Yes.
Just in the afternoon to evening.
Afternoon. Very good. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, respected.
Louder.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, learning teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Radlakshmi Borkar. I study in class 6 and I belong to Jhelum House.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, learned teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Diya Parmar. I am studying in class 6th and I belong to Jhelum House.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, learned teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Disha. I study in class 6th and I belong to Ganga House.
Good morning, principal, sir, and learned teachers. My name is Devash Parmar. I study in class 6th and I belong to Ganga House.
Okay. Good. And Karadi?
Good morning, respected principal, sir, learned teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Digan Kharali. I study in class 6th and I belong to Kaveri House.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, learning teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Rushabh Taylor. I study in 6th and I belong to Ganga House.
Rishabh Taylor, you got an IP credit also?
Yes, sir.
When did you get the IP credit?
Sir, when you ask question and I answer.
What question I asked you? What answer you gave?
Sir, cargo, based on cargo.
You used the word cargo.
What is cargo?
That is why you got it. Very good. Keep it up. All the best. You can take your project and go. Okay? Good. The teacher has assessed the project already?
Yes,
Yes,
She has given you assessment marks?